What the heck is that?
I don't know, Mario.
We need to get out of here before any one of us gets hurt.
I agree with you, Luigi.
Oh, thank goodness you are home before the earthquake started. We were extremely worried.
I know. Are you guys okay?